Okay, welcome to video number 2 of 15. In this video, we are going to look at where is Forex. So in the last video, we talked a little bit about what Forex was, or what the foreign exchange market was when it comes to comparing currencies. So in this video, we are going to look into where is Forex. Okay, so first of all, Forex, or the foreign exchange, is a market. So like most markets, if you're looking at the New York Stock Exchange, the S&P 500, or the stock market, you know that that's traded on an exchange, and now things are traded on a digital exchange. So it used to be that there was an exchange floor where people would go and trade stocks. You know, you got the Chicago Board of Options Exchange. It's a building in Chicago where people traded options. Then you had in New York, you had Wall Street where people traded. Well, even that's moved over to digital for the most part now. But Forex, because it contains or deals with multiple currencies, it is traded on a digital market. So how does that work? So this is how it works. Okay, so if you were to trade stocks, and let me pull this up. Okay, so if you were to trade stocks, let's say you were a stock trader. The normal way of doing things is you would go to a broker, which is a company that allows you to buy and sell stocks. So you would go to a broker and you would open up a broker account. It's kind of like a bank account. Okay, so when you went to a broker, or when you went to your broker and opened up this account, then that broker would normally have a trading platform for you to use. Okay, so you go to the broker, you sign up, you get your trading account to use, and you interact with that broker buying and selling shares of stock. Well, with Forex, it's a little different. With Forex, you go to a broker. That part is consistent. You go to a broker, you sign up, and let's just look up Trader's Way, for example. Trader's Way. Not Trader Way, Trader's Way. Okay, so this is a broker. And as you can see here, it says Intermarket Brokerage Services. So if we were to sign in, and I do have an account here, I don't use Trader's Way, I use another broker, but you can choose whatever broker you want. I used this broker for quite a while. So this is a broker's account. So you go here, you sign up, and they give you an account number and a password. Now, most of the people in the foreign exchange market, they use a third-party software. The software is called MT4, or that actually stands for MetaTrader 4, and then they have MetaTrader 5. So you want to download, you'll create your account, and then you want to download your broker's version of MetaTrader 4. Now, MetaTrader 4 is a third-party software, but when you download it through your broker, it actually downloads with settings that allows it to connect to your broker. So most of your trading will be done in this platform, which is connected to my broker. Okay, this is third-party software, and if you go to the MetaTrader website, which I believe I have up, let's pull that up real quick. Okay, if you go to the MetaTrader's website, which is this website right here, you would see that this is a huge community. Okay, they have automated trading programs. They have a library that you can go through if you wanted to create your own automated trading program. They allow other traders to offer signal services through their website. So this is not MetaTrader's data or signal services. These are individuals just like you or I. If we become good, we can offer signals. You can also allow people to copy your trades. And then they also have mobile trading. Of course, you can download the app and trade from your phone. So this website is not a broker. you would need a broker account, which is where Forex is traded. So you would need your broker account, and then this platform right here, which is what you see here, this program right here, is what you would use. And let me bring it into the screen here. This program right here is you would connect it to your broker account. There's the account options are here. And once you connect this to your broker account, you will be able to trade, buy and sell through this platform, and this communicates with your broker account. So you would put money into your broker account, whichever broker you choose, and then when you log in through this program right here, this will reflect the amount of money you have in your broker account because it will talk back and forth. So that is the way things are done in the Forex market. So in short, that is where Forex is traded and where Forex exists.